Hello viewers and welcome back to our channel, and I'm pretty much excited today to review the safest sub 4 meter 7-seater car in India, the Renault Triber. The Global NCAP has recently released the crash test rating for the Renault Triber, and the vehicle has got a 4-star safety for the adult occupancy and a 3-star safety for the child occupancy, which is pretty much amazing in this sub 4 meter 7-seater segment. The Renault Triber gets a 1.0-litre 3-cylinder petrol energy engine which generates a maximum power of 72 PS and a maximum torque of 96 Nm. So before going to the exact video, I have been getting a lot of questions these days to where can we buy or sell the second-hand cars at a very good price. So here is an answer to all your questions regarding the second-hand cars. The website name Spinney. So Spinney is a new age brand where you can buy or sell a used car at a very good price. And the key features include 200 points inspection of the car, 5-day money back guarantee, 1-year Spinney warranty and the fixed price assurance. Also, you have the options to choose from the best pre-owned cars and take a test drive at your home or the nearest Spinney center, and you can do the online payment, and you also get the doorstep delivery and the doorstep test drive. So you have a wide variety of popular brands in this website to choose the cars from, and also you can select as a hatchback, sedan or an SUV. So currently I have selected the location Bangalore, and there are 358 used cars in the Bangalore location, and you can select the cars according to your choice. So for example, now let me select this 2014 Hyundai i10, and you can see the price of this vehicle and the complete details of the Hyundai i10. So you can see there we have 49 images, and also you can see the complete detailing of the vehicle, and wherever the scratches are there, the engine capacity and all the overall specification of this second-hand vehicle which you are going to buy from this website. So also you can see the finance options for this car Hyundai i10. So another major highlight of this website is that we get the doorstep test drive delivery options. So there's no tension of going to any other place to check the vehicle. The selling of the car is also pretty easy in this website. So I selected the location as Bangalore and the year of the car and the brand Maruti Suzuki, and I select Maruti Suzuki Baleno and the variant. So we need to also enter the number of kilometers driven and the ownership. So then just click on the get price, and here you can see they have evaluated a price of 5,96,000 to 6,41,000 for your car Baleno. So before seeing the vehicle, they have quoted a good price for your car, and you can just add the address, select the dates when you're available and book a free evaluation for your car. So do check them out for the amazing offers, and the link is in the description box below. So again, talking back about the Renault Triber, let us start with the exterior features. And here in the exterior, the Renault Triber gets a triple edge chrome front grille as you can see here, and the Renault Triber also gets a projector headlamps with LED DRLs in the 2021 edition. So here you can see the overall front design of the Renault Triber, and here we get the Renault badging with a triple edge chrome front grille, and also there has been an accessory added to this Triber which is the front grille chrome garnish as you can see here. So these are the other side of the projector headlamps with the LED DRLs. So talking about the overall exterior dimensions of the Renault Triber, we get a length of 3990 mm, a width of 1739 mm and a height of 1643 mm with a wheelbase of 2636 mm. And the Renault Triber has a high ground clearance of 182 mm, and here you can see the overall front exterior design that has been provided to the 2021 Renault Triber. So talking about the other features, the Renault Triber gets a stylish flex wheels and the wheel arch cladding. And we also get the LED turn indicators on ORVMs in the mid-end variants and the top variants in the Renault Triber. So we also get a stylish roof rails in the Renault Triber as you can see here. and the overall stylish roof design in the Renault Triber 2021 edition. So now let us enter into this vehicle and see the key features of the interior. So we have a smart access card for the 2021 Renault Triber, and here at the driver's side you can see the options to control the windows and also the outside mirrors, and these are the space to keep the water bottle holders, and we also get the seat control options in the Renault Triber and adjust according to your height. And now let us see the other features of the Renault Triber. In the interior we get the steering mounted audio and the phone control options, as you can see here, and the Renault badging on the steering. So we also get a LED instrumentation cluster in the Renault Triber 2021 edition, and here you can see it's showing 18 km and currently it's showing low battery as the vehicle is in the showroom and has not been run since few days. So here is a complete view of the steering, and also you can see the SRP airbags that has been mentioned here. So we also get the steering mounted audio and the phone control options in the mid and the top variant of the Renault Triber, and the Renault Triber gets a 20.32 cm touchscreen infotainment system, as you can see here. So it has the features such as the Android Auto, Apple CarPlay and the inbuilt navigation systems. So here you can see we have a space to keep the mobile, and there is no wireless charging option provided in the Renault Triber, and here you have the USB socket, and the automatic gearbox that you are seeing here in the Renault Triber 2021 edition. So another great feature or the key feature in the Renault Triber 2021 edition is that we get a cool storage here in the center console area, as you can see here, and we have the options to turn it on or turn it off. So here you can see, and this is the rear power socket. So this is the overall center console area of the Renault Triber 2021 edition. And now let us see the driver's side sun visor. So as normally in all other cars, we do not get the mirror in the driver's side sun visor, and here we get the lights, and this is the passenger side sun visor, and we do get mirrors in the passenger side sun visor as in all the cars. And the main highlight in the Renault Triber 2021 edition is that we have two glove boxes. So this is the upper glove box which you are seeing here, and now let us see the lower glove box. So the lower glove box is a cool glove box, as you can see here, which means it's a temperature controlled glove box. So here you can see it has a huge amount of space, and we also have the space for the mobiles and the other documents. So this is one of the key feature or the main highlight of the Renault Triber 2021 edition, that it has two glove boxes, and here you can see the overall interior in the Renault Triber. So it comes with a dual tone interior, as you can see here in the Renault Triber, and this is a base variant in the Renault Triber. So in the top variant we get a push button start and stop options, and now let us see the rear seat space availability in the Renault Triber 2021 edition. So to talk about the rear seating capacity in the Renault Triber, we have different configurations that is available for the Renault Triber 2021. So here you can see the camp mode 2-seat configuration, surf mode 4-seat configuration, and we also have the life mode 5-seat configuration and the tribe mode 7-seat configuration. So now we can see the overall rear seat experience in the Renault Triber 2021 edition. And now let me show you the front design and the overall dashboard area, as you can see here. So it's a complete premium interior in the Renault Triber 2021 edition, and we also get the adjustable headrest, as you can see here, and this is the space for the last two seats which have been removed temporarily now, and you can see the seat belts which are available. So you can make the seat configuration according to your need and how you are traveling for a long distance or for a short distance. So this is the overall interior of the Renault Triber 2021 edition. So talking about the rear design, the Renault Triber gets a eagle beak split tail lamps, as you can see here, the Renault badging and the Triber badging. So those are the brake lights, and here down you can see the Renault badging and also the variant that has been mentioned here. So it's a easy R energy variant of the Renault Triber 2021 edition, and as mentioned before, the Renault Triber gets a eagle beak split tail lamps. As you can see here, the overall shape of the tail lamps looks like the eagle beak, so it has been named as the eagle beak split tail lamps. And the Renault Triber has an overall boot space of 625 liters and a fuel tank capacity of 40 liters, and the Renault Triber is available in the 5-speed manual transmission and the Easy R AMT variants. So now let me show you the other side of the seats of the Renault Triber. So this is the seat that we need to fold when we hop onto the race seats of the Renault Triber. As you can see here, the race seats are not installed completely here. So let me show you those seats, how does it look. So here you can see the seats that will be fitted here in the Renault Triber 2021. So the Renault Triber comes with the safety features such as the ABS with EBD, electronic stability control, rear camera assist, etc. The Renault Triber has a starting price of 5,50,000 for the base variant and a price of 7,95,000 for the top variant.